There is a kind of silence that falls after gunfire. Not the peaceful kind, but a silence of questions with no language, of mothers with children strapped to their backs, walking away from soil that once knew their names, of land that remembers what we wish to forget. Benue, food basket, river now blooded again, not by drought, but by fire and bullets and hands that have forgotten we are kin. I carry this grief in my body, tight chest, heavy hips, and a heartbeat offbeat. But I do not move alone. No. In every displaced breath, there is also resistance. In every foot that flees, there is rhythm. In every morning, there is memory. And memory is movement. We who dance with the ancestors know that the body can be protest, the breath a banner, the gathering a form of prayer. So I move to say, I am still here. We are still here, and this land, though wounded, is ours to reclaim with care. Today, I call on breath. I call on reason. I call on remembering. Let us hold Benue, not as breaking news, but as broken hearts, and respond not just with hashtags, but with hands, with holding, with healing. Let wellness be not surface peace, but deep justice. And let movement not only be escape, but return. This place, this body, this Benue deserves to breathe again.